A teenager in a hoodie gets stopped at a fancy downtown bakery. Security blocks him before he even steps in. He just wanted a birthday cake, but the way they treat him, ugly assumptions, and just when it feels like no one's on his side, the owner walks out, and what she says flips the whole place upside down. Stay locked in. This one's a truth bomb. Hit subscribe, smash like, and tell us where you are watching from. Let's dive into this 2025 fire starter. 2025 Chicago. A crisp April afternoon, West Loop buzzing, foodies snapping pics, cafes full, a golden hour glow washing the sidewalks. Sweet Botanica, the city's hottest patisseries, glass walls, pink neon, a line out the door, inside marble counters, artisan cakes, $12 macarons, outside Jalen Parker, 17, Southside Bone hoodie, up hands in his pockets. He's not here for croissants. He is here for his sister's 10th birthday cake. Been saving for weeks, wanted it to be perfect. But before he even touches the door, security steps up, tall, pale, mirrored shades. Can I help you? Tone, flat, loaded. Jalen pauses. I'm picking up a cake. You sure you got the right place? Jalen blinks. Yeah, he's sure. He shows the email confirmation. Security does not budge. You can wait outside. We shall bring it out. People glance, not subtle. A woman in heels clutches her purse tighter. A man in lines coughs. Let's keep it classy. Jalen swallows it, does not push, but his jaw set. He ain't leaving. I shall wait inside like everybody else. You are making this difficult. The guard warns. Then glass door swings open. Out walks Lucia Navarro, late 30s, on her chic jumpsuit, floor dust on her sleeve. She scans the attention, sees Jalen the scene the stares. What's the problem? Security shrinks. He saw loitering, says he is here for a cake. Lucia eyes the screen, the name, then looks at Jalen. Jalen Parker. He nods tense. Lucia smiles wide. You are early, finished it myself. She brushes past security like she's invisible. Come in now. Jalen hesitates, then follows. Inside silence. Pastries perfect. People watching. Lucia lifts the cake box, open it. Stunning buttercream galaxies. His sister's name in gold. You said she liked star. Jalen's throat tightens. Yeah, she wants to be an astronaut. Lucia grins. She'll get there. She walks him to the register, rings it up. But when Jalen pulls out cash, Lucia stops him. Covered someone called. I had said your family's done a lot for the community. Jalen's confused. Who? Lucia just winks. Call it karma. He turns to leave, cake in hand, but stops, looks at security, does not say a word, just holds the gaze, then walks out, chin high. Outside, someone claps. A barista in an open, then another. Word spreads fast. Assumptions checked, eyes open. Lucia watches him go, then turns to her staff. Next time someone tries to gatekeep, kindness remind them who we are. This was not just about cake, it was about bias and how the one moment of dignity can rewrite the whole narrative. Jalen did not yell, did not beg. She showed up, stood tall, and walked out a quiet legend. Respect that. Smash like, share the story, drop your city. I am Alex Kane, bringing you stories that do not just land, they hit out.